Hi, I'm Catherine Cohen, and welcome to CNN Student News by students. Today we're at the new Houston Zoo, and we're going to tell you about some of the animals that live here. I'm here with my partner, Maggie.
Thanks, Catherine. There are a variety of animals from all over the world who will call the new Houston Zoo their home.
These animals, though different looking and sounding, have adapted systems that perform the basic functions they need to survive.
From meerkat to eel, these animals survive in their environments through specialized body systems perfected over years of evolution.
One example of such is already a popular attraction for all ages, the Asian elephant. This endangered vertebrate lives in the forest and grassland and is an herbivore. Elephants have an adapted trunk to strip leaves from trees and pick up food. Their stomachs are larger than proportionate, so they are able to consume tons of food. Their digestive system is relatively similar to most mammals. In addition to beginning to break down the food, elephant's saliva protects its throat from thorns and bark it eats. Elephants only digest 40% of its food intake, and the rest is excreted. In excretion, elephant's dung contains most of its intake of food and is rich for other sources. This system also connects to the circulatory and respiratory system to carry out other wastes.
Circulation is very important for such a large animal in such a hot environment. Elephants have high blood pressure, so large sinuses moderate it to keep from cardiac contraction to prevent damage caused in blood vessels. Because of the high temperatures in which these animals live, they cover themselves in cold mud on places where their skin is thin and the blood vessels are close to the surface to cool down their blood. Their large ears are also filled with blood vessels because the skin is very thin and the ears can be flapped around to cool off blood. In respiration, elephants function like many mammals in most aspects. However, differing from others, elephants rely on intercostals and diaphragmatic muscle movement alone to inflate and deflate the lungs. Problems often arise in breathing if the muscles are damaged or fail to work. These systems allow the Asian elephant to live and prosper in the new Houston Zoo.
Not only does the Houston Zoo house the usual animal attractions, they also have a wide variety of aquatic animals to please and educate visitors.
That's right. One such of these animals is the jellyfish. Most of these invertebrates do not have specialized digestive, central nervous, respiratory, or circulatory systems. Jellyfish have a structure hanging down from the center of the underside, with the mouth at its tip. This opens to the gastrovascular cavity, where digestion takes place and the nutrients needed are absorbed. In excretion, the unused nutrients are expelled through the same opening where food is brought in.
Jellyfish do not need a respiratory system because their skin is thin enough that the body is oxygenated by diffusion. These sea creatures also do not have a specialized circulatory system. Okay, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for watching CNN Student News. Hope to see you next week for another wild time. I'm Maggie Boynton, signing off.